Hi everyone, and welcome to another language lesson with Miss Mandy. Today we're going to be talking about nouns and the different kinds of nouns that there are. So if you remember, a noun is a naming word. Everything around us has a name. I have a name. You have a name. This has a name, marker, tape, scissors. And this is something, the very first thing that kids, little babies learn is the names of different things. So we want to talk about the different kinds of nouns. First of all, we have the common noun. The common noun is just your everyday, ordinary name of a thing, a place, just something. So this table is a common noun. Plant is a common noun. Eyes, common noun. Nose, woman, house. All of these things are just common everyday nouns. But when we want to talk about a very specific noun, we're going to give it a very specific special name, and that is called the proper noun. So even though I am a woman, I am a teacher, my name is Miss Mandy. And so that is my specific name, just for me. And so it's capitalized. If I was to talk about our city, Riverview, Florida, it's a very specific city. Which city is it? Riverview. It's the name, so it's a proper noun. After that, we have what we call concrete nouns. A concrete noun is something that you can touch. I'm a woman. I can touch myself. That is a concrete noun. This is my phone. I can touch my phone. Concrete. But what do we call things that we know are things, ideas, but we can't touch them? Like for instance, happiness. Can I reach out and grab happiness? No. Can I put a box and stuff some happiness inside and then put a lid on it and a big bow? I can't. You can see things that make you happy, but the actual happiness we can't touch. So it's called an abstract noun. Okay? So let's get started. You will receive two things to sort here. This says concrete and abstract nouns and common and proper nouns. Let's start with our common and proper nouns first. If I pick a random noun from my pile of nouns, you guys should have all cut them apart. Beach. Is that just an everyday name of something? Or is that the specific name of a particular beach? You're right. It's just common. Beach, it goes right here. What about country? Is this the name of a specific country? Or is it just any old random country? This is not very specific. It's a common noun. Now, what if I had said America? America is a country, but America would be the proper noun, and it would be capitalized because it is the name of our country. So you're going to go through and you're going to get all of your your nouns, and you're going to place them whether they are common or proper. Now guess what? You can also sort whether you can touch them or not. So let's see. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln. If he was sitting here today, could I reach out and touch him? Yeah, because he was a person. You could touch him. He physically lived. So I'm going to give him concrete nouns. He's a concrete noun. He's a guy. And if you notice, because it's his name, it's also proper. So nouns can be both. They can either be common or proper. And then they can also be concrete or abstract. So Abraham Lincoln is a proper noun and we can touch him. What about sadness? Can I touch sadness? I know I feel sad. I can feel sad. I can see the tears that would come out of my face if I was crying, and I could touch the tears. But sadness, the actual idea of sadness, can I touch it? It would be an abstract noun. You got the hang of it? Wonderful. What I want you to do is I want you to sort through your nouns. Complete the common and the proper nouns. Complete the concrete and the abstract nouns. And then what you can do is you can take your nouns and you can write some sentences with them, however many you would like. And if you want an extra challenge, you can shake up your pile of nouns here. Pick some nouns. Soda, Grand Canyon, teacher. And you can write a story about it. Maybe I'm going to write about the time that my teacher took me to the Grand Canyon. We had so much fun and it was so beautiful. But my best friend had a soda in the bus and it spilled all over my outfit. And I was so sad. Maybe that could be my story. I don't know. It's up to you. This is a fun way to do creative writing. You can just generate whatever kind of story you want out of all of your nouns. Okay? So, I hope this helps. Thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye-bye.